Hi, welcome to our second project in HTML. And in this tutorial, we'll be looking on tables. Now, what type of table do you want to create? We want to create a table showing the score of what SOLTECH students. So first of all, I'll be declaring an H4. Then I'll just put this in, which is the SOLTECH student exam score. So you can see. Okay, let me increase my browser. You can increase your browser to any font of your word choice. But I think this is okay. Now we can see the score here. So the first thing we are going to do is to declare the table. Then we've declared the table. Then at the top, I declare the table head. Okay, you can see I've declared the table head. Now in the table head, as I told you earlier in tables, you declare the what they call the table row. Then in the table row, you have each table head. So the first data I want to have is their first name. Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, I want to have their first name. I want to have their last name. I want to have their age. And I want to have their exam score. So you save and you refresh. You get this. Their first name, their last name, their age, and their exam score. Note that we are using just normal HTML. With CSS, we can beautify. I've said severally that it is CSS that makes a web page look pretty nice. The HTML is just for the structure. Now, what did I do? I first declare the table, which means I want to create a table. Then I declare the table, which means I want a table head. That means everything I want to write is table head. Then a table row. This is how to write a table. Then you create a table row. Then you list the number of table headings you want to have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means all the table data will be dropping will be in always 4. So the next thing you have is the table body. So then in the table body you have the table rows. And we know that we have 4 rows at the heading, so that means you have to have 4 rows here too. So I will have some student name, like, so you declare table data instead of table head that you declared here. You declare table data. As you can see. Good. So I will just be writing some normal name. This name is not just some random names. So I'll be writing Michael. Okay. Okay, let me just copy this one and paste 4 times so that I will save myself some stress. Yeah. So you save. Then you can just edit this to Michael Peters. Then what's his age? Is 18. And what's the score? He scored 72. Or I can just put exam score, then I put some sort of of can I put some sort of, okay, so then I put 100. which means I want to show that 100 is the score I want to have. You can see. So as I refreshed, you can see my first name be Michael, last name Peters, the age 18, what's the score? 72. Very easy. As you can see, but with CSS we can be able to align everything the right way. We are just showing the structure, how the structure of a basic table looks like. Then let me just copy this and paste like 4 more times. Okay, so I'll have most Julia. Okay, Julia Ju. Then I'll okay, sorry. Then I want to set the age to 22. What's the score? It's 1. Then I want to have Moses John. Then what's the score? Let me just say, okay, the age 19. Let me set the score to 67. Then I'll have um Zainab Abdulaziz. Then I want to set the age to 16. Then what's the score? 79. Then I'll have what? For then the name, I want to set the name to the surname to okay, let me just use Thomas for Thomas. Or let me just use a girl's name. Yeah. Let me just say oh, let me just say let me just use some random name, maybe Favor also. Then let me set the age to 25. Then let me set the score to 91. When you refresh, you can see that our data is now what? Is now looking what? Pretty what? Nice. It's not looking what? Pretty nice because we have the values of the first name. You can see. Sorry. You can see we have the value of the first name Michael, Julia, Moses, Zainab, and Favor. Then we have the last name Peters, Joe, John, Abdulaziz, then Thomas. Then we have their ages here. We have what? Their exam score. You can see that this table has helped us put every of our thing in what? Order. That's put every of our documents in what? Order. So this is just the basic demo of the score of SOLTECH students in their last exam. So you can see with table we can be able to align our things in the right way, or position some set of data that we've gotten in right way. So for instance now, let's say you want to create like the election now, you want to create an election result, then you can just put it in table because we can add borders, that means lines. Then you just align the right name of the different parties, then start putting each state their values. So with tables we can do all of this. So that will be all for now. Sorry, just have to do now is to what is to create a what? A table of this sort and submit to the submission group. So see you in next class and have a good day. Bye bye.